Perfect.
Today on the Flippin' Mike Show, we're going to be taking and replacing the drive belt on this Cub Cadet lawnmower. This is my main mower around the property, so I was a little sad when it went down. So first things first, we got to take off the deck, remove the deck belt, and a couple other things which I'll show you here very shortly. Thanks for watching. Now there is a couple pins, one on each side. I don't know if you can see them down here. There we go. You gotta pull this pin, pull the other side pin. Once you do that, the deck falls, and then you have to undo this little bracket right here in front. This little guy right here. I'll come back up this slide, come up here, and you'll be able to drop your deck out. Underneath here, after you prop your lawnmower up so you can get access to where the belt goes, it runs from this upper this upper pulley. I don't know how good you can see it, right up there above the clutch, and then back here it says fan clutch. Now right here are the tensioners and the guide wheels, and you can see how it's grooved. So the front side of the belt goes into here, or the V side where it V's down goes into there and into there. The back side rubs on this tensioner, and this tensioner right here. So you get around that pulley, which we drop over the top of the fan first. We can run this way through up here. But we gotta make sure that we're V'd in here, backside here on this pulley. We will drop this bolt right here to drop the clutch and assembly out. Make sure you do not break the wires back here. Let's get it done. So I went up here on the flywheel with a pair of vice grips. I had to remove the plastic, and I gripped the flywheel and pinched the vice grip so it couldn't spin. So, have you got it broke loose already? Woohoo! No, we don't need to even take it all the way off. Come on, belt. Oh gosh. Oh, just like that, she goes on. Just like that, folks. on the back side of this pulley, like that. They're on that back pulley, right there, between the tensioner to the front, up on that front little pulley that we were working on. I'm gonna take the clutch down to get at. That's how you fix a drive belt on a Cub Cadet riding lawnmower.